Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, today is our lecture number 2 that is based on the topic the crazy computer. Okay? So it is your chapter number 16 on book page 88. Open your book, go to page number 88 and take out your pencil also. So what you have to do, why I asked you to take out your pencil, you have to underline all the difficult word that you feel it is a difficult. Okay, I will read it, and during reading if you find that this word is difficult, you have to simply underline that word. Understand? Put your finger on your first line that start from Saad is in his bedroom. Okay, I'm going to read it. Listen me carefully. Saad in his bedroom, he is playing on computer. Again, Saad plays on his computer every day. His mom shouts, Saad, your dinner is ready. Saad doesn't hear. He just plays on his computer. However, Saad feels sad. He plays on computer because he does not have any friend. Sometimes he dreams he is playing football with lot of friends, but it never happened. Today, Saad is playing a computer football game. He is playing against the computer and he is winning. Suddenly, the computer speaks to Saad. Hello, Saad, what game can we play now? Saad is surprised and jumps up from his chair. He can't believe it. He may be dreaming. The computer speaks again. I am your friend, Saad. Saad look at the computer with big eyes. You can speak? Yes, of course. I can do many amazing things. Can you do math homework? That's easy. The computer looks at Saad's book and in no time all the answers are on the computer screen. Saad writes the answer in his book and say, "Great." Saad's mom comes in his room. She brings Saad a pizza. Here you are, Saad. Oh, good. Your math homework is finished? What a good boy. And she goes out of the room. Oh, yum. I love pizza, says the computer. An arm shoots out of the computer and take a piece of pizza. Now moving to the next page, page number 89. Tasty, says the computer. Another arm shoots out of the computer and then two legs. Suddenly, the computer starts walking. Let's go for a walk, says the computer, and it goes down the stairs and out of the front door. Saad follows him. Where are you going? Asks Saad. To find a friend, says the computer. It walks along the road, turns left, and goes into the high street. It stops outside the television shop. No, good, it says, and look at the television screen. The computer runs along the road. It metal leg run faster and faster. It goes past the post office and goes into a library. There are a lot of books and lot of computers. A boy is sitting there and doing his homework. Hello, says the computer. Hamza look at the crazy computer. What's this? He cries. A computer with arm and legs? It is my computer, says Saad. He is going crazy eating pizza and running around. Hamza look at the Saad's computer. It is connecting to the other 20 computers in the library. The computer make lot of strange noises. They may be talking to each other. Words and strange characters flash across the screens. Colored light goes on and off, green, blue, red, yellow. The computer go faster and faster. Suddenly all computer explode. One after the other. Saad's computer is in the middle of the room. It is getting bigger and bigger. Its screen is flashing with millions of characters and messages. Now, I have enough power, says Saad's computer. Soon I will be the only computer on the earth. I can destroy all other computers. I am the supercomputer of the world. Hamza look at Saad. We must stop him. He says Saad's computer is out of control. The lights in the library are flashing on and off. People are running out of the library. They are scared. Quick, says Saad. Moving to the next page, page number 90, he grabs a rod and smashes his computer. There is a loud bang and it explodes into the air and falls to the ground in small pieces. Saad and Hamza run here and there. Saad hits a table and falls down. Is it a dream? Saad thinks. He is lying on his bed. He keeps recalling his strange dream and think about Hamza, his neighbor. He is a nice boy. I think I should go and call on him and make him my friend. After all, human friends are better than computers. Okay, student, this is a reading of your chapter number 16, The Crazy Computer. Now, what you have to do, whatever the word you have underlined, you have to write them as a dictation words. Topic will be the crazy computer and activity will be dictation words. Okay? So you have to do it, but before doing it, you have to prepare your notebook page, put proper date, day, classwork, and draw proper margin. And after drawing proper margin, you have to write topic, the crazy computer, chapter 16, activity, dictation words. Okay? So your next task is that is given on book page number 90. Here topic will be the same, the crazy computer, but activity will be changed. Book exercise, okay? Here is your first exercise. Read the following sentence and write your own opinion about them. You have to write your opinion about the sentences that has been given on the book page number 90, exercise A. Your first sentence is Saad, your dinner is ready. Saad's mother shout, but he doesn't hear. Is Saad behavior right or wrong? If wrong, give reason why so. Saad behavior is wrong because we must listen to our parent firstly. Okay? So your next statement is yes, of course, I can do amazing thing, said the computer. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible because computer can do amazing thing. Your next statement is computer does all work for Saad. Is it right or wrong? Support your answer with reason. Yes, computer can do all the tasks for Saad. Number your next sentence is humans friends are better than computer. If yes, how? Yes, computer cannot give us good suggestion as human can do. So, humans are the better friend than computer. Now, student, you have exercise B. Make sentences of the following words. The words are given over here. You have to make sentences by your own. Words are suddenly, screen, metal, strange, explodes, flashing, scared. Okay, your next exercise is dictation paragraph. So, dictation paragraph is given on the book page number 89. Second last paragraph that start from Hamza looks at Saad's computer and end at second last line of second last paragraph, bigger and bigger. Okay, you have to write this paragraph as a dictation paragraph. Now you have to tell me, have you seen a strange dream recently? If you have seen a strange dream, you have to write it down and you have to share your experience with me. Okay, students, this is your lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.